How to check your credit score TD Bank. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to check your credit score in TD Bank. So in order to check your credit score, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to get your free credit score, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. So first thing is you need to check your internet connection, and once you've registered Interact or verification services launched the Interact, now the verification services app and enter your banking password to log in into your account. When you have logged into your account, swipe left and choose the option that says where can I use it, and then you can go ahead and select get your updated credit score, and the app will then connect to the credit reporting agencies Equifax. You can see your credit score held with Equifax as well. So that's how you can check your credit score on TD Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.